Spectrum Community Solutions is a unique provider. We're not a one-size-fits-all provider. We're committed to providing the right solution in both the short term and the long term. Many of our competitors are single-threaded and only offer one service. Spectrum Community Solutions offers a full suite of services included in the bulk and options for the residents to upgrade and add valuable services to their package. Spectrum Community Solutions views our relationship with customers as lifelong partnerships. We believe it's critical that we earn our customers' business every day. That's why we have dedicated bulk support. So when a resident or an owner calls in, they're talking to someone that only supports bulk customers. We recently launched a new team, the Service Delivery Analyst, whose job is to engage with local properties from the moment a contract is signed all the way through service being activated. It's our goal that we provide services that don't limit people's lives, but enhance their lives. When you're using your phone and you're on the internet and you go from your home to the pool to your car, there should be no limit. There should not be any clunky disconnect and reconnect. It should be a seamless experience. And that's what it means to live a life unlimited.